Brent Rivera is an American actor, YouTuber and social media personality. He has been active since 2009. He has more than 2.2 million plus followers on Twitter and more than 19 million plus followers on Instagram. He is currently managed by Fullscreen Media Network. If you guys want to know more about Brent Rivera, just keep watching The Abundant All. I am your host Rakib. Let's get started. Brent Rivera was born in 9 January 1998 at Huntington Beach, California of United States. He is currently 22 years old. His real name is Brent Austin Rivera and nickname is Brent. His father is John Rivera. Here is a picture of his father. And his mother is Laura Rivera. He has two older brothers, Bryce Rivera and Blake Rivera. He also has a younger sister named Lexi Rivera, who is a social media star. His sun sign is Capricorn and ethnicity is white and Hispanic. Brent has Mexican ancestry on his mother's side. Education: he had studied at Huntington Beach High School. Brent graduated from high school in 2016. First film: in 2017, he made his theatrical film debut at main character Alex in K. Asher Levin directed comedy film called Alex IRL. As a singer, in November 2014, he released his debut song Doubt on Doubts on iTunes. Rivera became an internet celebrity after creating a Vine account. The account titled The Brent Rivera had more than 8 million followers. Rivera's success on Vine also helped to grow his YouTube channel, which currently have 12 million plus subscribers. His content mainly involves pranks and challenge videos. Brent usually involves the other YouTubers, friends and members of his family in his videos. He is also part of the collaborative YouTube channel known as Awesomeness TV. Relationship status of Brent Rivera. Ex-girlfriend Morgan Justice. Brent has reportedly dated California-based model and singer Morgan in the past. They probably thought that it was better to concentrate more on their individual careers rather than relationship and decided to break up. Ex-girlfriend Lexi Hensler. Social media star Lexi Hensler and Brent was rumored to be dating on another in the past. Considering their closeness, it is natural for the fans to think them as a couple. However, Lexi was the one who cleared the air via a video of hers in which she said, "He is sweet and very down to the earth, but I did not date him." Girlfriend Eva Getowski. In 2019, social media star Eva Getowski and Brent started dating each other. In April 2019, they confirmed their relationship by posting their cozy pictures on internet. Eva even changed her name on Twitter to Brent's girlfriend Eva Getowski. Personal information about Brent Rivera. His height is 5 feet and 11 inches or 180 cm and his weight is 74 kg or 163 pounds. His hair color is black and eye color is dark brown. Distinctive feature is strong jawline with a square chin, well-tuned body, perfect groomed hairstyle. His favorite color green and favorite animated movie Frozen. His favorite subject history and favorite food sushi. Net worth of Brent Rivera. According to Neighbors.com, Brent has estimated net worth of $6.5 billion as of 2020. Let's talk about the car and house of Brent Rivera. Brent has a black Audi which is estimated to be $85,000. He also has a red Ford Mustang which is estimated to be $30,000. Brent is currently living in Huntington Beach, California of United States. Here is some picture of his house. That's all for today. Thank you everybody for watching this video. If you guys like my video, please subscribe this channel and stay connected with The Abundant All for more great contents. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The link is given in the description box.